Here I have ZYREX ZA987, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password or other screen lock method on the following phone. So at the very beginning you need to start by holding the power key, choose here power off and tap OK to confirm it. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then let's use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume down. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as one scribe logo pops up on the screen. As you can see, the Chinese factory mode pops up, so here you can navigate by using volume down. Let's scroll down to choose clear eMMC, this option, and press power key to confirm it. The device is erasing all personal data and customized settings. Let's wait for the welcome panel. Excellent, the welcome panel pops up, and as you can see there is no pattern or a password, so we can start easily activate and use your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.